My gdf610psj2ss disher won't start. I get the 3 beeps and error code 815.
How old is your GE appliance?
2 years.
How long has this been going on with your GE appliance? What have you tried so far?
I flushed the drain line and replaced the door latch, but it still does not start. The lights all flash to indicate door is not sealed, but I do not know what it could be at this point.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing I can think of.
Hello, I am Jason, a GE authorized servicer. Do you still need assistance with this? Note the system auto sends out phone call requests. You can ignore this unless you want a phone call. Also, when we are completed, please make sure to let me know so I do not leave you hanging and can close out the ticket.
I do.
Okay, great. Here is what I would like you to try to determine if the CSM is tripped. Enter consumer error mode. Press the select cycle and start buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. If the control responds with LEDs or display coming on, the CSM is tripped. To reset the CSM, entering service mode will reset the CSM. To enter service mode, 1. First enter consumer error mode as directed previously. After the 10-second door check has completed, continue to next step. 2. Enter service mode, while in consumer error mode, by pressing and holding the select cycle button for 5 seconds.
Done. What next?
Was the CSM tripped?
All the LEDs blink when doing door check. Now normal cycle light is blinking only. Does that mean yes?
Yes, if all the LEDs blink then the CSM is tripped. Did you perform the reset?
I held cycle button for 5 seconds.
Go ahead and power the unit off and back on. This can be done by unplugging it or flipping the electrical breaker to it. Once done, see if it will allow you to set a cycle.
Okay.
Does it work now?
Sounds like it is going to start now.
Great. Keep an eye on it, and if it does it again, there may be a larger issue at play. If I have provided a 5-star service, please make sure to hit those 5 stars for me.
I will watch the cycle then. Thank you.
No problem, come back if you have any other questions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.